Equation. When two algebraic expressions are connected by equality sign is called equation. For example, 2x plus 3y equals to 4. It means when in a given expression we have equal sign, this is called equation. 5x minus 12 equals to 4x minus 9. This is called equation. Remember, equality sign represents left term is equals to right term. Left term is equals to right term. Okay? Whereas inequality means when two algebraic expressions are not equal and are connected by symbol less than, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to are called inequality. It means not equal. 2x plus 3y greater than equals to 2x. It means left hand side is greater and equals to 2x, not equals to. Okay. Similarly, 2x minus 3 equals less than 5. It is not equals to. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side is less than 5. This is called inequality. Okay, I hope it's clear. Separate the equations and inequalities. We have few examples. 3x plus 8 greater than 10. What it is? Having no equal sign is known as inequality. 2x minus 10 less than equals to 1. What it is? Inequality. 8x less than 5. What it is? Inequality. 5x equal to 7. We have equal sign here. So what it is? Equation. 3x minus 4 equal to 7x. What it is? Equation. I hope it's clear. Separate the like terms and unlike terms from the given expressions. So let's begin. We have question here. 3x square plus 4xy plus 7 plus 9x square. Remember what are like terms. Like terms means variable have same power are known as like terms, and variables having different powers are known as unlike terms. So I think it's clear now. 3x square plus 4xy plus 7 plus 9x square. Do we have same, or in other words, like terms here? 3x square, 4xy plus 7 plus 9 square. Yes, we have 3x square and 9x square are like terms. What is left? 4xy is the unlike term. Okay. Next, number 2. 4x square y plus 5x square plus 7yx square plus 4x. Do we have like terms here? Let's check. 4x square y. This is only, you will consider it only one term. Okay. 5x square is next term. 7yx square. Note, 7yx square and 4x square y are like terms because x square, x has power 2, exponent power 2, y has power 1. When no power is greater, it must be 1. Okay. 4x square y and 7y square are same, no matter what the order is, x square behind or x square above, doesn't matter. Okay. So what are like terms here? 4x square y and 7y x square are like terms. Okay. Now we go on point 3. 3 by 2x square plus 8 plus 9 by 2x square plus 4x. As you can see, 3 by 2x square and 9 by 2x square are like terms, whereas leftover 4x and 8 are unlike terms. So you can, we will say 3 by 2x square and 9 by 2x square are like terms. Okay. Now last one, 2x square plus 8xy plus 8y plus 9x square. As you know, x square and x square are like terms, so you can say that 2x square and 9x square are like terms. So I hope it's clear the concept of what are equation, what are inequalities, what are like terms, what are unlike terms.